Hello friends, in this video tutorial you will be learning about course Vedic Mathematics lesson Introduction to Vedic Sutras presented by me Ekadhikena. To talk about little about me, currently I am pursuing my BE final year at KLS-GIT. I am passionate about mathematics and teaching mathematics. I'm a blogger and blog related to Vedic mathematics and aptitude preparation for various competitive examinations. Course objective. This video is helpful in faster calculations for various competitive examinations where the number of questions is more and the time given will be less. It is also helpful for the software developers to code in an efficient way. Vedic mathematics is also beneficial to all the engineers, doctors, students, teachers, etc. This video is mainly targeted to the aspirants preparing for SCSC, IBPS, Bank PO and CAT, MAT, GRE, etc. And it is also useful to the one who wants to improve his computational skills, calculation speed, we can say, which is an important factor in various examinations. Vedic mathematics it's an ancient system of mathematics. It was used by the ancient scholars to make the mathematical calculations faster. This system consists of a one-line formula, and it was rediscovered by Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha Maharaj, who is popularly known as Sri Sankaracharya. These formulas work similar to our thought process in mind. Vedic Sutra. Introduction. Sutra 1 states that Ekadhikena Purvena, which means one more than the previous one. Application. Squaring of a number ending in 5. Multiplication of numbers. Division of all numbers by 9, 19, 29. That is 1 by 9, 1 by 19, 29, 1 by 29 and much more. We can call these as vulgar fractions. It's not easily computational. Let's look into the general rule for squaring of a number ending in 5. First step states that step 1 states that separate the number other than 5. Step 2, multiply the number by 1 more than 8. Step 3, affix the square of 5, that is 25, at the last of the product. Let's look into example 1. If you are required to calculate 75 square, 7 and 5, separating. First step is separating. Okay, we have done it. Now it states that multiply the number by 1 more than the previous one. The 1 more than 7 is 8, therefore 7 into 8 is 56. And the square of 5 is 25. Therefore 75 square is 5625. Example 2. 115 square. Separate the numbers other than 5. Yes. 11, 5. 1 more than 11 is 12. 11 into 12 is 132. 5 square is 25. Therefore 115 square is 13225. Example 3. 405 square. 405 square. Separate the numbers, that is 40 and 5 we have done here. And 1 more than 40 is 41. 40 into 41 is 1640. 5 square is 25. Therefore 405 square is 164025. Hope you got it. Now let's look into where you may ask where you can apply this shortcut or a sutra we learnt. Yes, here is the question. Find the sum of the cubes of the first 10 natural numbers. Solution. Sum of the cubes of a number is given by formula which we have learnt in our schools, colleges, etc. It is important to note on. That is n into n plus 1 the whole square by 4. Since the numbers addition takes place up till from 1 to 10 cube, therefore we take as n as 10. Taking n as 10, we get 55 square. 55 square can be found in no time by application of the sutras which we learnt in this video previously. That is, separate the numbers 5 and 5. 1 more than 5 is 6. 5 into 6 is 30, and 5 square is 25. Hope you understood it. One more application of this sutra. Multiplication of a 2-digit number. Ekadhikena Purvena. Multiplication of a 2-digit number such as 44 into 46, 57 into 53, 97 into 93, 97 into 93, 96 into 94. You can go on, solve as many as problems you can, but there are 2 conditions to be met which I will discuss now. Now let's take an example to understand this. If we are taking a 23 into 27, I have taken this as a small number to understand it. You may take a 3-digit number also, higher numbers, if you understand this. But normally we do this calculation by the method taught in school, that is taking 23 sevens are okay, we are gone doing that, but it's time consuming for competitive examination. I suggest you not to follow that method. Let's take an example 1. Example 1 state 23 into 27. Yes, did you observe something interesting? Yes, this, the first digits of both the numbers are same. Yes, and the units digits add up to 10. That is 3 plus 7 add up to 10. In such cases only you can apply this formula, but there are some problems. You can modify them into this type, which I will be discussing in my upcoming videos. Now what to do about this? Let's come back to this. First, find the product of unit digits, that is 3 into 7 is 21. Keep it aside. Now 23, 1 more than 2 is 3, therefore 2 into 3 is 6, therefore 23 into 27 is 621. Hope you got it. Similar to the previous one, but in case of that, it is a special case of the previously done problems. In that case, both the units digit and the tens digits were same, but in this case they are different, and the sum of the units digit is equal to 10. Example 2. 54 into 56. As mentioned earlier, the first digits of both the numbers are same. Units digit add up to 10. In such cases, 4 and 6 add up to 10. Therefore, 4 into 6 is 24. We got it here. And 5 into 5, 1 more than 5 is 6. 5 into 6 is 30. Therefore, 54 into 56 is equals to 3024. Example 3. This is the last example on this video. 92 into 97. As mentioned, first digits of both numbers are same. Units digit add up to 10. In such cases, the result is 1. Now 1 more than 9 is 10. 9 into 10 is 90. We have done it here. Product of the units digit numbers are 2 and 8, that is 16. 92 into 98 is equals to 9016. Hope you understood this. Practice more problems. You will get used to it, and you will gain your efficiency. You will improve your efficiency, I can say. Thank you for watching this video. Stay updated for more videos. Thank you very much.